explorer walked through the trees, looking for wonders carried by the breeze. He looked to the left and he looked to the right. Everything sparkled in the morning light. Oh, what can he see? What can it be? A world full of colors and mystery. Step by step, happily, adventure was waiting for you and me. Little explorer crossed a tiny stream, watching silver, what a shining gleam. Fish swam below and birds flew high. Clouds were painting pictures in the sky. Oh, what can he see? What can it be? A world full of colors and mystery. Step by step, happily, adventure is waiting for you and me. Little explorer climbed a gentle hill. Everything around him seemed so still. He saw green valleys far away and fields of flowers ready to sway. Round and round, here we go, over the hills and through the glow. Every path has something new. Every dream can come true. The little explorer followed a trail, past a rabbit and a friendly snail. The sun smiled brightly from above, filling the world with light and love. Oh, what can he see? What can it be? A world full of colors and mystery. Step by step, happily, adventure is waiting for you and me. Little explorer reached a rainbow gate, wondering what adventures await. He opened the door and laughed with delight. Stars were dancing in broad daylight. Oh, what can he see? What can it be? A world full of colors and mystery. Step by step, happily, adventure is waiting for you and me. Little explorer finished his day, but new adventures were on their way. With a smile so bright and a heart so free, he knew tomorrow held more to see. La la la, sing along, every journey makes us strong. La la la, come and see, the world is full of possibility. Little explorer walked through the trees, looking for wonders carried by the breeze. He looked to the left and he looked to the right. Everything sparkled